Welcome to the Christmas market in Zagreb. The best European Advent 3 years in a row, according to the internet.
Thank you, but we are expecting your visit.
Did you know that the word Zagreb comes from the word to scratch?
You can scratch my back anytime.
Bullshit. You can scratch mine. Well, it's still better than Europe being named after a kidnapping victim.
What does the Advent in Zagreb have that Paris, Vienna or Slough don't have?
Let's scratch under the surface of the Christmas market and discover the formula of being #1 on the old continent. Location, location, location goes the old Pompeii saying. The stalls are all placed in the very center of the city. Each year their numbers grow, but leasing them is not a matter of some boring public tender or transparent process. The city leases the stalls to private companies and agencies who then sublet them to others. At what price? I can't tell you. Apparently it's a trade secret. Mysticism of Christmas.
However, if you know that the price for leasing a stall from the city during the Advent is on the average of 23,000 kuna, which for some stalls is also the average daily profit, meaning the other 43 days bring in only profit, it becomes clear that the stalls are the most valuable gift this Christmas. That's why city leaders gave them to family, friends, colleagues and relatives. Sometimes people forget to gift their loved ones, so they rush to open a company only days before being awarded a stall from the city. Don't let that happen to you. Close family ties are just one of the reasons why our city is so special and has the best Advent. We hope that baby Jesus brings you presents as well.
Or Santa Claus if your country bans child labor. We also hope you will watch our next episodes. It would be a shame if you were left uneducated.
All the best for the holidays. Merry Christmas, or how we say in Zagreb, Sve korumpirano!